Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new flower pressing kit that I got. So I grow my own cut flowers in my garden, and I've always wanted to kind of save some of them for keepsakes, for scrapbooking, embellishments, things like that. And so I got this kit. So it comes with the two press plates. So these are wooden. You've got the top one, and it's super pretty. Look at that design that's on there. And then you have the bottom one. It comes with all of the cardboard and the press paper that you're going to use, all of the tools that you need, and a little carry case to put it in, as well as a bag that you can store all of it in. Oh, and some little keepsake envelopes. And so you're going to lay your flowers down. So you've got cardboard and one of those, the paper. And then we are going to start the pressing. I've got them kind of all laid out in the design that I want. And once these are done, you could take these out and frame them, put them on the wall. I mean, there's a lot of different things that you could actually do with it. So we're going to lay these down on here. We're going to put all of these on here like this. I'm going to line it up. I think there's one more. Okay. And then we are going to get to pressing. And so we're just going to line these up on the bolts here like that. And then you have these here. And we are just going to do that. And so you're going to tighten these down as tight as you can get them. And it says to just kind of put this off to the side for about 3 weeks so that the flower can press into the paper and, dry out and everything. And so we're just going to set this on here. We're going to set it aside, and hopefully we're going to have a beautiful picture with fresh flowers at the end of it. So we're just going to lock these down, and I'm going to sit this over on the countertop, and in about 3 weeks, we're going to have a nice little piece of artwork with the pressed flowers. So I think this would be a really great activity for, I don't know, middle school, high schools, but also if you're just like myself, I have garden flowers in my backyard. And so this is a great way to turn some of that into some artwork that I can put on the wall or something. So I would definitely check this out.